Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on the newly launched Maybelline Lip Gradation Lip Pencils. So they have launched around 8 shades or so, but I have 4 shades because I felt the rest of the shades didn't complement my skin tone or it washed me out. So I just got 4 shades from this range. So these retails for around 500 rupees for 1.25 grams of product. So coming to the packaging is very cute and travel friendly. So it comes in a retractable twist up packaging. So it's very travel friendly and easy to use. On one side of the product they have the actual lip product, and on the other side they have the smudger. So this sponge tip applicator is used to smudge the lipsticks. So these lipsticks are called the color blur lipsticks in abroad, and in India it is called the lip gradation. This is actually a Korean trend wherein they have the lip color on the middle of the lips, and it looks like as if you have just you have been licking a popsicle. Honestly, I'm not a very big fan of that look. By itself, the colors are very beautiful and very pigmented. You can use the sponge tip applicator to shear out the lipsticks if you do not want such darker lip colors during the day. You can shear it out and you're good to go during the day, and you can use the darker ones in full application during the night. So initially it was a little difficult for me to find out as to where the product comes from, so I had to learn it the hard way that you have to twist it up from here and the product comes out. They do not have any shade names, they just have names like red one, pink 2, mauve 1, fuchsia 1, which I find quite weird because it would be easier if our lipsticks has name rather than calling it a red 1, pink 1, pink 2. So the formula of these lipsticks are quite creamy and matte, so it's quite pigmented as well. So if you have dry lips, it's going to emphasize your dry patches. So I would suggest you to use exfoliate your lips very well and use a lip balm and then wipe it off when you're actually applying the lipstick. Then it's very good. So the other thing which I really liked about these lip pencils are the color on the actual packaging is quite similar to the actual product, so it's very easy to identify the colors. So as usual, I'm going to swatch it on my lips as well as my hand and show it to you guys. So the first shade what I'm gonna show is called Mauve 1, which looks like this. So it's a beautiful mauve nude kind of a color which looks very gorgeous. So this is how Mauve 1 looks like on my lips. It's a very beautiful mauve kind of a nude shade which can be used for an everyday kind of a color. So it's my lips are but better kind of a color, and it's gonna suit all the skin tones. On the fairer skin tones it's gonna look a little pinkier, but on the darker skin tones and medium skin tones it's gonna look a little bit of browny mauve kind of a color. So it's a really pretty and gorgeous color. The next shade which I'm gonna swatch is called Pink 2. So this is how Pink 2 looks like. It's a nice beautiful bright pink lipstick. So this is how Pink 2 looks like on my lips. As I told, it's a very nice bright pink color. It instantly brightens up your face and it's a very beautiful shade. So this is the kind of color which is gonna suit all kinds of skin tone from fair to medium to dark. So it's a very gorgeous color. So the next shade which I'm gonna swatch is called Fuchsia 1. This is how Fuchsia 1 looks like. So this is how Fuchsia 1 looks like. It's a nice bright purple color. with pink undertones. It's a really gorgeous color. Again, it's somewhat similar to the other one, which is pink too, but this has more purpley undertones, and it's going to look really beautiful on the skin tone. The shade which I'm going to swatch is called Red 2, and it looks like this. 2 looks like on my lips. It's a beautiful deep dark red shade which is going to suit all kinds of skin tones, and it's going to look really beautiful. It's the perfect kind of red, I would say. So overall, I would like to say that if you compare this lip gradation lipstick to the creamy mattes, the texture wise it's quite similar, but I would say Maybelline lip gradation is much better because the formula is very creamy and it glides on like a dream. It's very easy to work with. Because of its applicator, it's very easy to draw a precise lip line and then fill it in. So overall, I would like to say these lip colors are really great. So all the colors are very bright and playful, except for this one. This one is a bit on the mauvey nude side, but all the colors are really beautiful. I have to try their orange one as well as the red 1 or 2, so I have to pick up a few more shades which I've heard it's really good. So I've been really loving these lip colors. These lip colors, they do transfer quite a lot, but it's okay with me. Personally, I am not a big fan of the Korean lip trend, so I don't use it that way, but I do use these lip colors by itself, and it's really gorgeous. You can use this sponge tip applicator if you want to sheer out your lipstick, and if you are going out in the daytime and you don't want bright lips, you can sheer it out using this sponge tip applicator. Colors, they do stain quite a lot, which I think is really beautiful. I like the look of stained lips. So that's it for my review on the Maybelline Lip Gradation Lip Pencil. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope it was helpful for you guys. Do let me know which color did you like the most, and do let me know if there's any other colors which you think I should pick it up. Do let me know. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.